Hey guys, what's up? We're back with another video, and today we're going to be showing you, or we're going to be unboxing a new RC that I just got. You get the scissors, and here it is. That is very awesome. Very, very awesome. It's this guy. And now go to Walmart, guys. Shout out to Walmart. Big shout out to Walmart because their RCs are only $9.97. See? It's awesome. So, get started on opening this thing. So, what we're going to start out and do is like cut this thing open. Got into it a little bit. Don't want to break it though. Yeah, how else can we open this thing? Oh, it's tape. You can get that. Yeah. You got that tape. You got that tape. Just need one more tape. Then we should be good on opening this thing. Yeah. Open it. Oh yeah. It's coming out. Actually, having some issues here. Here we go. Got the controller and the actual RC is right here. There we go. Coming out. Yeah! Guys, awesome. Oh, guys, so there's the big unboxing of my RC. Don't think there's batteries in it already yet, so there's no batteries in it, as you can see already, so. But this, guys, by the way, is a true RC. It's awesome. There's an RC unboxing video. See you in the next video. Bye!